Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm going to make some pretzel bites. Kind of like, I don't know where you live, if you have a Ben's soft pretzels. We have those here in the Midwest. And you can make something very similar to those out of canned biscuits. And these are just grand sized biscuits, the jumbo biscuits. I got buttermilk. And I only have 3 of them here because it's just me and my husband, and I use the other part of the can for a different recipe. But this is just for a little snack, so we don't need very many. So you just want to take each biscuit and roll it into like a rope. Or a log, I guess you could say. And we're going to cut each one into 4 pieces. And I've got some water boiling because to make pretzels you have to put the dough into some water with baking soda in it so that you get that pretzel-y type of a texture. Otherwise, if I just baked these, they would just taste more like a breadstick and not like a pretzel. So we're going to just throw them in the baking soda water real quick, and then throw them onto a towel, and then we're going to brush them with egg wash, put some salt on them, and then we're going to bake them. So here's our water. I'm going to put, you need kind of a lot of baking soda. I'm going to put 1/8 of a cup of baking soda in there. Just gonna throw these in there like that. They only need to be in there for about 15 seconds, so it takes almost no time at all. And see how they start to swell up? That's what you want. And you take them out, put them on some paper towel so they can dry off a bit. Okay, so I've got some parchment paper. We're going to put our pretzel bites right on the parchment paper. Okay, so we're gonna put some egg wash on them, which is just simply an egg that I beat with a fork. That's it. There's nothing else in there, just simply egg. And I'm gonna brush each one with a little bit of egg wash. Okay, so I don't have any pretzel sauce salt, but I have some kosher salt, and it's similar. So I'm going to put some of that on there. Okay, we're going to put these in the oven, probably about 15 minutes. I'll start checking them at 10. But then I'm gonna use cream cheese on mine, and my husband usually likes mustard. So There's a lot of different ways you can eat them, but I think that's the way we're going tonight, cream cheese and mustard. So we'll see how they look when I get them out of the oven. Okay, so our pretzel bites just came out of the oven. I've let them sit for a few minutes. I'm gonna put a little cream cheese on one and give them a try because this is the first time I've ever made them. Very good. Just like going to the mall and getting a soft pretzel. Very good. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to put the recipe down in the description. And I hope to see you again soon in one of my other videos. Take care.